If you're bored and want to make some noise, pick up Sly's air horn, the loudest of all the toys.
I feel very.
Sly here, introducing you to my new product, Sly's air horns. It never runs out of air. You never have to charge it, and there are so many uses. Like skateboarding.
Oh, my leg! Help!
Oh, no one's answering. I'm never gonna get out of here. Wait, my Sly's air horn. That'll help. Someone's bound to come at some point. For teachers.
Kids, time to come in.
What? Did someone call me? Oh, I'll just keep on playing. I didn't hear anything.
Man, these kids never can hear me. Guess I'll have to use Sly's air horn. Kids, time to come in.
Oh no, Mr. Harrison's calling us. Come on. You can even use it for canoeing. Or for peace and quiet.
Wow.
Oh, dude, look out for that spider. He's gonna bite you. Oh, dude, don't fall in that hole.
Hey, Jack, can I play? Please, please, please.
No, get out of my room. That's how I get my peace and quiet.
Even little people can ignore the big brothers just lie down.
Terry, you better get back here right now. Possibilities are endless for everyone. Kids, teenagers, adults, and even older folks. Sly's air horns, only $5. Come get yours today before they all get blown away. This product was brought to you by Noise R Us.